Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Catalan Studio tutorial for beginners. Catalan Studio is an all-in-one platform for automated testing of web, mobile, API, and desktop application. It's a beginner-friendly tool with pre-built templates, scriptless options, and support for advanced scripting using Groovy. Some of its key features are cross-platform testing, test web, mobile, desktop, and APIs, scriptless testing to create tests without coding using the record and playback feature, advanced scripting for experienced testers, write custom test scripts in Groovy, integration to work with CI/CD tools like Jenkins and Git. And lastly, reports and analytics to generate detailed test execution reports. On getting started, install Catalan Studio and then set up your account and log in. To create a new project, open Catalan Studio, click File, then New Project. Name your project and choose the type. Now record and playback. Use the record web or record mobile feature. Select a browser or device. Perform actions you want to test, and Catalan will record steps. Save the recording as a test case. Now on writing a test script. For custom scripts, open the script mode in the test case editor. Write Groovy-based scripts for advanced validations and logic. Next is to run tests. Choose a test case and click on Run. Select the browser, device, or platform where you want to execute the test. Next is Analyze Results. View execution logs and reports in the Test Explorer or Report tab. Export report in formats like PDF or HTML for sharing. Now here are some tips for beginners. First is to start small. Begin with simple record and playback tests. Next is to leverage templates. Use built-in templates for common test scenarios. Next, integrate with Git. Store your projects in version control for collaboration. Next, use assertions. Add checkpoints to validate test results. Lastly, explore plugins. Visit the Catalan store for extensions like test management and CI/CD integrations. And that's basically it.